hiring ith worker, you are you are also given two integer k and candidates. We want to hire exactly k worker according to the following rules. Okay, so here is given a integer array cost, and the cost of I denotes the hiring price of ith worker. Okay, and we have also given two integer which is k and candidates. We want to hire exactly k workers according to the rules. You will run k session and hire exactly one worker in each session. And you have to hire a k section, exactly k session. Okay, so in each hiring session, choose the worker with the lowest cost. In each hiring session, we have to choose the lowest cost and first candidate workers or a last candidate workers. Break the tie with the smallest index. Okay, and you just have to return the total cost of hiring k workers. Means how uh, how much price do you need for a k workers. Okay, so let's do this. So let's do this. Here is given an example cost, and you have to select the k k workers. So the first hiring, we will choose the minimum cost, which is 2. Okay, so in a first round, you have to take the minimum one, which is 2. Okay, initially the total cost is 0, and you just have to add it 0 plus 2, which is 2. Okay, and again you will take a 2 because there is two 2's exist in a array, so the 2 plus 2 is 4. And after this you will take the minimum one, which is 7. Okay, and after adding 4 plus 7 you will got 11. So you just have to return the hiring cost, which is 11. So let's do this. And cost, initially the cost is 0, and then you just have to make a priority queue, which is of int comma vector comma int comma greater This is the minimum priority queue. We are making the PQ1 comma PQ2. Okay, so we have make two priority queues, which is P smaller priority queue, which is PQ1 and PQ2. Okay, and then create a long answer which is initially 0, and then int I equals to 0 comma j equals to cost dot size minus 1, and then int hired is equals to 0 while hired is less than k. Then you just have to do while pq1 dot size less than candidate, and I is less than equals to j. PQ1 dot push cost of I and then I plus plus. Okay, you just have to do like this. After this, you have to create a while PQ2 dot size is less than candidate and then I should be less than equals to j. PQ2 dot push cost of j comma j minus minus. Okay, we have to do this. After the ending of while loop, you have to create in min1 is equals to pq dot size if it is greater than if it is greater than 0. If it is greater than 0, then you just have to do pq1 dot top comma int min int max, sorry. And in the same way you have to create int min2, which is pq2 dot size pq2 dot size which is greater than 0 pq2 dot top int max. Okay, you have to do like this, and then you have to check if min1 is less than equals to min2, then you just have to answer plus equals to min1 and then pq1 dot pop. Okay, in the same way you have to do else for answer plus equals to min2 min2 and then pq dot pop. Okay, you just have to do pq2 dot pop, and then you just have to do hired plus plus. Okay, and then you just have to return answer. Okay, so let's run this code.